It's Sharmel. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another vlog. So today is Sunday, June 10th. I'm sitting here editing a video because I should have a video up by now. So yeah, I'm supposed to have a vlog up today, and I started editing it a little bit on Friday, but I just didn't get around to finish editing it yesterday. But anyways, like I said, it's Sunday, so it's really nice outside. Well, it's not really nice, but it's pretty decent. Like a cool 70. But me and Janae are supposed to go to the lake. So you guys may have heard about BBQ Becky, about the white woman who called the police on the black people barbecuing at the lake. So that is in my hometown where I'm from, and this lighting is off. And so basically every Sunday, I'm trying to get this lighting right. Okay, so yeah, so basically every Sunday they do like blackout at the lake, so all the black people come, and it's just a lot of people who will barbecue, have music and stuff. So me and Janae are gonna go do that. She said she needed like 45 minutes, so I'm gonna try to finish editing this vlog and wait for her to finish getting ready, and then we're gonna head to the lake. So yeah, that's it for now. I'm gonna try to vlog while we're out there, so I'll check in a minute.
You should.
So yeah, it is the following weekend. I'm not sure, well, I'm not sure, but I didn't even really get that much footage last Sunday when me and Janae went out, but we had a really good time. You know, we didn't bring like any chairs or any blankets or anything to kind of sit down and chill, so we basically just walked around for a little bit, and then we had walked to this bar that was down the street, had a drink, and then we got food, and we pretty much went separate ways. So yeah, I met up with her around 4, and I was home by like 6:30. So it was a quick little outing, but it was cool or whatever. But yeah, I didn't really get that much footage because we just weren't out that long. And now it's the following Sunday. So I don't know if you guys have been paying attention, but I have been working on organizing my content and getting on a schedule. So far since the month started, I've been doing hairstyling Saturdays, the Sweet Life Sundays, which is, I named my vlog The Sweet Life with Sharmel, and then makeup Mondays. So far for the last 2 weeks, that's what I've been doing. Unfortunately, we did not have a hairstyling Saturday this week just because, I don't know, I was going to do a ponytail look this weekend, but I just felt like I needed to braid my hair up and put a wig on, and this wig is just really old, and I've kind of had it on camera and stuff before, so I didn't feel the need to film it. But yeah, I just wanted to braid my hair up for the week at least, because I was wearing a ponytail. I've been wearing ponytails for like the last 3 weeks, I want to say, and so yeah, I just needed to braid my hair up for a little bit. But hairstyling Saturdays will continue, and then I wasn't even going to put this vlog up since I didn't have much footage last weekend, but I'm trying to stick to what I've been doing. So I am going to try to throw this vlog together real quick. And then Makeup Mondays. We won't have a Makeup Monday video either, but I am trying to stick to that schedule. So far, like I said, we have hairstyling Saturdays, Sweet Life Sundays, and then Makeup Mondays. I do have some other days that I have in mind. So I have Tea Talk Tuesdays, which I haven't started yet, but I do want to start that sometime soon. Basically what Tea Talk Tuesdays will be is just kind of like, I have a bunch of different topics and stuff that I just kind of want to discuss, kind of like girl chat, discussing pop culture, maybe sometimes motivational stuff. Like, I have a bunch of hot topics and things like that, so I do want to incorporate those, and like, it'll be tea talk with like a drink or something. It could be real tea, it could be something a little stronger. But yeah, so I have Tea Talk Tuesdays, which I do want to start working on. Sometimes it may include like friends, us discussing different topics, but yeah. And then Wig Wednesdays, which will be starting within the next couple of weeks. So basically, the difference between hairstyling Saturdays and Wig Wednesdays, Saturday videos will mainly be like me doing creative styles, like actually styling hair, whereas Wig Wednesdays will be reviews of different wigs, synthetic wigs, human hair wigs, things like that. So that's actually going to be starting really soon. And then Fashion Fridays. I've been talking about doing fashion videos for a long time. Fashion videos are just so hard to film, but I've been talking to my friend and she's willing to help me out, and I do want to film a lookbook really soon. I want to do a summer denim lookbook. I love denim, so I think that's going to be first on my list. I'm going to start trying to do some try on hauls too. The reason that I wanted to do this is because I've been mentioning, I do want to start incorporating new content, but I want to do so without completely alienating my core audience, who kind of helped me get this far. So that way, if you're subscribed to me for like specifically hair videos, you know to check on my channel on Saturdays and Wednesdays for hair videos. If you like my vlogs, you know, check my channel on Sundays. If you like my makeup, on Mondays, things like that. So that way I can try to incorporate new stuff without feeling like I can't talk today. So that way I can try to incorporate new stuff without feeling like I'm bombarding you guys with a bunch of new stuff that you weren't really here to see anyway. So yeah, that's the plan. If you guys have any video requests, as usual, leave them down below. I'm definitely open to video requests all the time. But so far, now that I kind of have a plan, I've been like enjoying recording, and I've been feeling more creative. Like, I have a notebook somewhere and it just has a list of a bunch of different stuff. So yeah, let me try to get this vlog up real quick so I can get to this birthday party. Hopefully I have time, and I'll see you guys next week, or I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.